Karen Lowe is the brain behind the 4-day work week pilot, which kicks off in South Africa in March. The idea of reducing weekly hours from 40 to 32 was sparked after the COVID-19 pandemic, which heightened the need for more flexible but balanced lifestyles.
And everything around the 4-day week revolves around one very, very simple principle, and it's called the 180-100 principle. So employees will get 100% of their pay, work 80% of the hours, in return for 100% of their productivity.
Digital marketing company Social Happiness is one of 29 companies joining the 6-month project.
I think there is a bit of apprehension around it because this is going to be new, and what could it mean for my workload? Am I going to feel more stressed in those hours? But I think what we're going to find is that there's going to be more collaboration across different tasks.
Service-based industries are more well-suited to the model, but results from the initial global study showed improved mental well-being and higher productivity levels across the spectrum of industries.
We've had manufacturing, construction, retail banking, education, non-profits, obviously your IT sector, telecommunications. There are environments that are easier than others to turn this on. If you're talking manufacturing shifts, agriculture, mining, it's harder to do, but it is certainly not impossible.
One of the most notable improvements came from a 24-hour private hospital group grappling with staff burnout.
The absenteeism dropped dramatically, so we started seeing healthier, happier doctors and nurses that were at work, and the cost of hiring new staff was still less than the cost of hiring the locums, and the patient care shot through the roof.
Concerns have been raised around widening inequality gaps that could result from the model. Below argues that it could add more jobs to the market.
We've got masses of problems with youth unemployment, or just unemployment in general. Do we keep doing things the way that we've always done them, or do we challenge the status quo now and start looking for ways in which work time reduction models can improve efficiencies?
South Africa could do with a dose of happiness as it battles with worsening blackouts and a slow economy. Should the model prove successful, it could propel the country on a different path with a more content workforce.